What's going on, Savage Life family? Today we're going to be checking out my portfolio, and I'm going to be answering the question why I sold $2,000 worth of stock and what I plan to be doing with my portfolio. So before we hop right into it, be sure to smash that like, subscribe, join the Savage Life family, and we're on to this intro.
Again.
Currently we are looking at my portfolio as of now. Before, you guys saw my portfolio was around $2,100. Now it's currently at $3,426. And I'm gonna explain to you, what do you mean, how did you sell basically 90% of your stocks but you have almost double your portfolio? Makes no sense. On the 29th of May, I went ahead and sold basically 80% of my portfolio at about like a 40% profit. The market was at an all-time high on Friday, and it was the highest my portfolio has ever reached. Of course, I'm a long-term investor, I'm a dividend investor, so normally I would have never have done it, but I found out this interesting investment strategy, which is called put options, which is a great method of increasing your passive income in the long term. So I did my research. Well, I did weeks of research before I finally decided to start from scratch and sell it all, and I ended up doing a put option contract on Wells Fargo. So we're gonna take a look at my current shares right now. I have 5 shares of SPHD, 7 shares of AT&T, 5 shares of Realty Income, and 100 shares of Wells Fargo. So currently with the Wells Fargo, selling put options, and I'm not gonna go into it on this video, but basically if you guys want to know about it, I'll go ahead and make a video about it. If you guys have any questions and don't know what it is, let me know down below in the comment sections. What I plan to be doing in the future is buying my shares. I plan to buy 100 shares a month of a stock that I want to buy into, if I can afford it, of course. I'm not talking about like AMD or like Tesla. I'm not gonna buy 100 shares of Tesla. Of course, my price range is $30 a share or below. Mostly REITs or bank stocks is what I'm mainly going to be looking at the moment. I'll let you guys in on the loop after I make my purchase. So 100 shares of Wells Fargo, that was made in the month of May. The month of June, I don't know if I'm gonna add a REIT to my portfolio, because there seems to be a lot of chaos happening in the US right now, for good or for worse. I don't know how that is going to affect the market, so I decided it'd be best buying 100 shares at a time than buying it little by little. That way I would have a, let's say, lower average cost, and of course doing the put options, I would lower my average cost that way as well. And of course doing the put options, I'm making an extra, I'll say 50 to 100 bucks every time I buy my 100 shares, so that's a huge discount, win-win for me as well. So there you have it. So what's funny is, as soon as I sold the stock, like I sold it at the perfect time, because I got paid dividends for mostly all of my stocks that I was holding, and it was, I'm getting $3.52 for Discover Financial, 90 cents for Honeywell, and $13.44 for AGNC, which most likely is going to be the stock that I'm going to be buying back into at a lower average cost, of course. So stay tuned for that. And that is the power moves that I'm currently making. Now, if only I could show you guys the sell that I made. Now basically I can only find one right now, so I had to give you an example. I had 8 shares of Discover Financial at $34 a share, and I sold them at $51.04 a share, I believe. I can't do the math off my head, but basically that is the profit I made for most of my stocks. So now my investment portfolio is looking good, right around at $3,426. My goal is to reach 5K by the end of this month, so smash that like button to make sure, see what we can do to hit that goal. And I hope everything is going well for everybody. Of course, if you have any questions or anything, I am here. And if you want to receive a free stock at Robinhood, click the link in the description, of course, and sign up. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you like how informative it was, smash that like, subscribe, and comment like I said, okay? Let's keep pushing. We are out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.